Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Apache Airflow low-code developer environment setup. Let's move forward. So here is my GitHub link. So by the way, this link I'm going to add to my video. Okay, so you have to see it. So first of all, this is my project structure, right? So I have PIP file here, so which is this one. I'm going to use that for Airflow libraries. So for Google here, actually you can remove it because it doesn't matter. Also Amazon, you can remove it. For here, because I wanted to do some demo, so that I want the Amazon Google in here. For today, like I say, I'm going to install that with the Python libraries. So this one is very important. And this one, I will introduce that later in this course. Okay. All right. So, okay. Feel free to copy my repo. Let's move forward. So first of all, I needed to make sure you have the PIP env or not. Okay. So since I already have in here, so I'm not going to install again. If you do not have, please use this command to install it. The second one here is, so first one is sync. I think it means if you already have the, PIP file.lock, so you can sync it there. So my repo later, I'm going to have that one as well. So you can use this command directly. Since right now, for the demo, I didn't delete the PIP file.lock. Okay. Oh, okay. So I wanna my job, virtual environment in my project so that I can use it to control because they have, virtual environment, they have lots of, right? So under my repo is easier for me to control it. Then I'm going to do is PIP image share. And we're going to do this one. All right, if you see, says create a virtual environment. Okay, I'm going to create another terminal. They release they my something has an issue but it's fine. All right, then I'm going to source. Since if you see here, I already have my virtual environment folder created in here, right? All right, I'm going to source again. So just PIP env and active. So all right, PIP list. So for there's no anything, right? Then I'm going to use PIP env install. PIP env install. So this one, they're going to install all the libraries in the package, in the package or their package. Okay, so since their package I do not have anything, so basically they're going to install all the libraries from here. And meanwhile, so make sure and you use the, 3.9 is easier, okay? So if you use 3.11, maybe have some problem, but I'm highly suggest you use the 3.9, right? So this is going to take some time. I'm going to pass it here. I will come back soon. All right, so they installed. So you're able to see when I just PIP install. So they're going to use my PIP file to install the packages. And meanwhile, so they're going to create a PIP file load class. So anyone, if you this one, anyone can use a PIP file.log. So keep the environment at the same with your environment. So very helpful. All right. So let's move forward. Let me just PIP list and see how many libraries we installed. We have a bunch of libraries. They really that the four libraries they have a lot of dependencies, right? So that's why they need to install their dependencies. Okay. All right. So then I'm going to initialize the database. So since this is local, and let me show you another one. Is once you install the Apache, let me see, you have a lot. Okay, so they're going to have a share flow configure file. Okay, so in this configure file, they have all this configure file in here. So basically, this one the default they are going to choose is SQLite. Also, I just want to keep the default as is. Okay. So since this one, we use the, sequential. I will talk to you later about different today. Is scooters. What's the difference? So sequential in here is the only suitable for local environment. This is not for the production as well. Okay, that's why since we are runs and local, I think it should be good in either class. Okay, if you are going to use this environment to the production, which is the whole, if I try to the production, this is not suggested. It's not okay. Do not use this one. All right, let's move forward. So then in here, I'm going to do is I'm going to airflow and the db init. Sorry, I haven't since I'm just doing active. Then I'm going to use share flow db init. They're going to initialize the database. Okay. You will see in the initialization is done. All right. So next. We are going to create admin user. So this is for our database. And just copy and paste. Okay. Copy paste here. All right. Admin already exists in the database. Let's move forward. So I'm going to use this one. So this is the Apache, servers, web servers. So in here, do the copy paste in here. All right. They're going to not, they're running. They have the, Unicorn servers. And the second, I'm going to see, we're going to run the scheduler. So please use another terminal, okay, to use it. Since I will open, so you here, airflow scheduler. They're going to pop out something to allow, their libraries to use our access. All right, so it's right now it's running. Let's move to here. So this is my Apache Airflow logo. So once refresh it, see, you're able to see, right? You're able to see, the UI. The 8080 port is reset up. Reset up in here, if you see here. Also, you can choose a different port. All right, so why you able to see only one in here? The reason is, let me show you what I did. So basically, I'm going to open the Airflow, the configuration. Okay, in here, this one is default. Okay, so Apache going to set up the default Airflow folder under your name and with the DAX. So I do not want to use it. Instead of I want to use that in my project, under my project. So this file, this path is this path. It is passing here. Okay, so this is my first DAG. Later I'm going to tell you what that is. All right. So, and the second one is I disabled the example. Let me show you some set numbers. So in here, okay, load the example equal to false. Then I'm going to say, hey, I want to load the example to true. Let's save it. Let's go. So since we changed the configuration file, right? We need to restart the servers and the scripting. Okay. All right. They are running now. Okay. Let's go back to here. So let me just log in now. So this one should be admin and admin. So this is the we'll make create table for it. All right. Okay, so you can see, and they have the exams coming. So actually they have more, you see, they keep loading. Okay. So let's go back to here. when you face an issue, if you facing the issue, right? So they say, because we cannot more than 1 3 person process equal to 2 when use is equivalent. So keep in mind, right? Secure init is only able to use init code, okay? So what you can do is modify this parallelism equal to 1. And also, if you still not able to resolve the issue, change this one to false. Okay. All right. Okay, let's move to my first DAG. So this DAG is very simple. I want you is able to run your first DAG in your local as well. I create DAG in here. This is the default, parameters or algorithm. All right. So I want to run a daily, and I use empty operator. Okay, just the word empty. Okay, consider doing jobs. All right, let's go back to the UI. So this is my first tag. We are able to see here, because this is one where I run daily. I already scheduled. I want to run the daily. So you are able to see when is last time to run it. Okay. So this also is active. So if you see, I'm going to run it. Let's see how that works. Okay. So they are in the queue. They are running. Okay, they are success. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for the watching.